Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's the magical coffee trend you've been seeing all over TikTok.
That's so cool. Let's try it.
Have a picture of coffee beans on your phone screen, then put it on a cup and tap the back of your phone. Pour some coffee in your cup and take a video of that. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Now import Clip 1 on InShot. Scroll to where your finger touches your phone and tap PIP. Add Clip 2 and press Autofill to fit to screen. Tap Mask. Select the bilateral mask and pinch to adjust your mask area. You'll get something like this. Will you try this magical coffee trend? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.